The difference between .NET Framework and .NET Core should be understood not just at a feature level, but from an architectural, deployment, scalability, and long-term strategy perspective. For a senior-level developer with 10+ years of experience, the comparison is about ecosystem maturity, cross-platform capability, performance optimization, cloud readiness, and future roadmap alignment rather than simple API differences. .NET Framework is the original Windows-only implementation of the .NET platform, introduced in 2002. It was designed primarily for building Windows desktop applications, WinForms, WPF, and ASP.NET web applications running on IIS. It is tightly coupled with the Windows operating system and relies heavily on system-level components such as the Windows Registry and GAC, Global Assembly Cache. Because of this deep OS integration, .NET Framework applications cannot run natively on Linux or Mac OS. It uses the CLR, Common Language Runtime, for execution and supports a mature but monolithic architecture. While highly stable and widely used in enterprise legacy systems, .NET Framework is now in maintenance mode, meaning Microsoft provides security updates but no major feature enhancements. .NET Core, introduced in 2016, was designed as a modern, modular, high-performance, cross-platform re-implementation of .NET. It runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Unlike .NET Framework, it does not rely on system-wide components like GAC. Instead, applications are self-contained or framework-dependent deployments. This makes versioning easier and avoids DLL hell. .NET Core uses Core CLR and is optimized for cloud-native, containerized, and microservices-based architectures. It provides significantly better performance, improved memory management, and better support for asynchronous and parallel programming. ASP.NET Core is lightweight, middleware-based, and fully optimized for high-throughput APIs. From an architectural standpoint, .NET Core follows a modular design. You only reference the packages you need via NuGet, making applications leaner. It also has built-in dependency injection, configuration providers, logging abstractions, and environment-based setups. These were either absent or externally implemented in .NET Framework. Another major difference is deployment flexibility. .NET Core supports side-by-side runtime installations and Docker container support, making it ideal for DevOps and CI/CD pipelines. .NET Framework applications are typically tied to server-level runtime installations. From a senior perspective, the strategic difference is that .NET Core, now unified as .NET 5 and later versions like .NET 6, 7, 8, is the future of the platform. Microsoft has consolidated development efforts into the unified .NET ecosystem.